Okay guys, I wanted to show you this setup for the Kawasaki KLX110 stroker crank. If you have a 2002 Kawasaki, this doesn't fit, so forget that. Now, if you have a 2003 through 2009, what you need is this crankshaft, you need the timing chain, and you need the cam sprocket. All this is set up in a kit readily available on the website. Now, if you have the newer Kawasaki, all you need is just this crankshaft. That crankshaft, and that's it. So that's your setup. For the older ones, you need the crank, cam chain gear, and the timing chain. For the newer one, it works right with your cam chain gear and timing chain that you have, so all you need is the crank. Thank you.